In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Atlassian Rovo to ChatGPT. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Atlassian Rovo linked and ready to use, using the standard connection flow built into your account settings. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to connect. If you work across multiple workspaces or organizations, it helps to double-check that you're in the right place so the connection lands where you expect. Start by heading to your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This little menu is where you'll find all the core controls. Click it, and from the menu that appears, choose Settings. That opens the central hub for managing your preferences and connections. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where you manage what's connected and discover new integrations. Go ahead and open Apps. From here, you'll see an option to explore additional integrations. Depending on your view, it might be called Explore Apps or Add More. Click that option to open the app directory. At the top of the directory, you'll see a search field. Click into the search field and type Atlassian Rovo. Spelling doesn't have to be perfect, but make sure it clearly references Atlassian Rovo so you're landing on the official listing. When the Atlassian Rovo result appears, select it to open the details page, then click Connect. This button begins the linkage process between your account and the app. At this point, simply follow any on-screen instructions to complete the connection. The prompts may ask you to review requested permissions, confirm the workspace or account you're connecting, or sign in to your Atlassian account if you aren't already. Take a moment to read what access is being requested so you understand how the integration will function. If a consent screen appears, approve it to continue. The flow may briefly open a new window or redirect you and then bring you back once everything is authorized. When the prompts finish, the connection is complete. You've successfully linked Atlassian Rovo and you're ready to use it within your setup. If the page takes a moment to refresh, that's normal. You should then see the app available from your Apps area. If anything doesn't load right away, a quick refresh usually clears it up. That's all there is to it. Profile, Settings, Apps, Explore, search for Atlassian Rovo, connect, and follow the prompts. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly connected Atlassian Rovo experience.